What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, this is a video on how to patch your ceiling after you fixed your skylight leak. We got some spots up there. We got some staining in the corners. You can see where the trim came apart around the light. We're gonna caulk that up when we're finished. Here, where we have the wall and the ceiling meet. Just make sure this camera is in a good position. You can see we got some peeling from the water. This is obviously all dry, but what I like to do is I'm going to take this out. We're going to put some tape here to protect the wall. We're going to get all this out if it's loose, if it's a little brittle. We're going to
Yo, Sonny!
mix up some 5-minute mud, some 5-minute quick set for patching, and we're going to skim coat it. And we're going to go around and we're going to make sure none of this stuff is weak. If it is, we can chip it out and fill it in with some of the patch itself. You know, we'll go around and we'll take a look. So the first thing you want to do is to protect the wall, get yourself some painter's tape. You want to just tape it along the edge here to protect the wall. So when we start cutting this old stuff out, we won't have to get really much into the repainting the wall, you know what I mean? Because the wall is fine. So once you get the tape up, I'm gonna grab yourself. I usually use a 6-inch here, and you just want to kind of score the bottom a little bit. So you can see how it caved right in. Make sure you have something at the bottom, you know, on the floor there, protecting your floor. Always have a mask on if you want to wear it so you don't breathe any of this stuff in. You want to kind of just chop at this a little bit. Remember, you want to get all that loose stuff out. All right, so that's loose. Go around your other spots. Poke at it. If it's loose or if it's crumbling, cut it out. You get the point, right? I've checked the other side. Those are dry, but this was the only vulnerable part. So what we're going to do now is you're going to get yourself a mixing pan. This I keep in a little bag here, so I know it's the 5-minute. I got a 5-minute. I got a 45-minute. Keep it in the trailer. What you want to do is you just want to get a little scoop. Try to be neat with it. Better to have extra than not enough. Zip this up. Now you don't always have water on hand, so have one of these on the job site. Get yourself a little bit of water in there. Now remember, this one you only have 5 minutes of time with, so you want to mix it around nice. Good thing about these mixing little holders here, these mixing trays, when you're doing a small job for someone and you got to just patch a few small holes, that's all you need. So you want to make it nice. Make it almost like cake batter. See? Where it won't fall off, but it's on there good. And what you're going to do is just going to fill in this corner here, going and up, take some and go to the corner and go up, fill in that space. And remember, you're going to do one coat, you're going to sand, and you're going to do a second coat. So don't think you have to do it perfect the first time. But this stuff, it dries pretty hard, so you don't want to have super sanding lines, you know what I mean? Just a little bit. But for me doing it so many times, I'm kind of used to it. We'll do some light sanding, and when we pull off the tape, it'll be a nice clean line, okay? If you have any inconsistencies here, there's little marks. Just come down like this and come across to fill in any little tiny gaps if you have them. And again, you're gonna primer this. You're gonna do some light sanding. All right, hope did help. We'll catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny, where are you, son? Yo, Sonny!